Welcome explorers. In today's video I am going to show you how you can actually install Git on your local Windows system before you can further go on to perform the push as well as pull requests to maintain the interactivity between the files or repositories on your local system as well as those based on the remote server, that is the repositories as well as the projects which you have on your GitHub account. So let's start. Now first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Git download. After that, click on the first link which says gitscm.com downloads, and after that you will basically land up on a page where you can actually select the operating system. Basically it will detect your operating system and it will also show the latest source release for the Git. Basically this will download the GitHub command prompt on your system so that you can actually write commands and get a command prompt like interface for running your Git commands. So basically, as you can see, the latest version for the download is download 2.27.0 for Windows. So click on this and this will take some time, and after that it will automatically start the download. As you can see, the Git is being downloaded on your system, so it will take some time. So as you can see, it is downloaded. So after getting downloaded, you have to click on it. So now it is opening and you will have to allow or give access to all the permissions. Click on yes, and if you want you can read the information, nobody does. Then click on next and actually you can select the destination where you want Git to be actually installed on your system. After that, click on next, and after that you basically want the desktop icon, so click on it and click on next, click on next. As you can see, our Git is actually being installed on our system, so wait for some time. So now I think that Git is actually installed on our system. No need to view release notes, just click on launch git bash and click on next. So as you can see, we had got our git bash interface or command prompt type of thing where you can actually run all the commands of Git and connect your local repo with your online repo present on your GitHub account. So let's run some basic commands and see if it basically works or not. Now you can start by writing some basic commands on the git bash interface. So for that, basically, suppose at first you want to see what type of Git version is actually installed on your system. So for that, basically you will have to write git -- and then write version. So the Git version is actually displayed here. So you are actually installed Git version 2.27.0 on your Windows system. And now suppose if you want to see the manual or the instructions page for any specific command which you actually use on Git. So for that, suppose I want to see the manual page or the instructions regarding the help command. So for that you will have to write git help and then write config. So one page or one web page regarding the manual page of the specific command will be displayed on your screen. And suppose you can also write like this, git config -- help. So this will basically do the same thing actually. This will land you to the same web page. So that's how you can actually run some specific commands. And now, so that's all from this video. I hope you enjoyed this. So I will come up with the other interesting videos on Git. So until then, keep exploring.